Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 39 times 25, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we're going to start by multiplying both numbers in the ones place. We're going to start by multiplying 9 times 5. And for anybody that's not fluent with single-digit multiplication, I definitely recommend that you get a multiplication chart, because these problems are a lot easier if either you have a multiplication chart or you're fluent with single-digit multiplication. So 9 times 5 equals 45. Since our product is more than 10, we will need to regroup. The 5 and 45 goes in the ones place. The 4 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 times 5 equals 15. We have to add the 4 that we carried over. 15 plus 4 equals 19. So far we've multiplied 39 times 5. Now the next step is very important. We've multiplied both digits. We've multiplied the two top digits by the bottom digit in the ones place. Now before we multiply the two top digits by the bottom number in the tens place, we have to add a 0 to the ones place, since both numbers in the ones place have already been multiplied. So now we're going to multiply the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 9 times 2 equals 18, so again we need to regroup. The 8 and 18 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Three times 2 equals 6. We have to add the 1 that we carried over. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now the final step is we have to add these two numbers together, and we will get our final answer. Five plus 0 equals 5. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 7 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 39 times 25 equals 975. Moving on to the next example problem. So next we have 48 times 27. So starting in the ones place, we're going to multiply 8 times 7. 8 times 7 equals 56. Again, we have to regroup. We regroup anytime our product is 10 or more. So the 6 and 56 goes in the ones place. The 5 and 56 gets carried over to the tens place. 4 times 7 equals 28. We have to add the 5 that we carried over. 28 plus 5 equals 33. So far we multiplied 48 times 7. Now the next step, again, very important. We're going to put a 0 in the ones place because both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Now we multiply the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 8 times 2 equals 16. Again, we have to regroup. The 6 and 16 goes in the tens place. The 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Next, we multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. But we have to add the 1 that we carried over. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 plus 9 equals 12. And we have our final answer. 48 times 27 equals 1,296. All right, moving on to what will likely be the final example problem of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit the like button. So we are going to start in the ones place. We're going to start by multiplying both digits in the ones place. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. And we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 8 times 2 equals 16. So far we've multiplied the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. Next step, very important. We're going to put a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Next, we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 3 times 4 equals 12. Because we now have a product more than 10, we will regroup. So the 2 and 12 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 12 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 8 times 4 equals 32, plus 1 equals 33. So now next, we have to add both these numbers together. Once we add these two numbers together, we'll have our final answer. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 83 times 42 equals 3,486. That is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning into the Mr. Camilleri Show YouTube channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.